Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Melissa and I am the Youthful Mama. So here on my channel I talk mostly about skincare and makeup, and I do a couple of reviews and a few tutorials. So far, obviously I'm new, I've only done a couple of videos, so I haven't done many reviews, but I'm going to start doing heaps now. Now today I couldn't find time to film and I was getting really stressed out about it, so I thought I may as well just do it with my baby. So he's here and he's not happy because he wants mommy. Come say hello. Here you go. This is Roman and my eldest son Maximus is upstairs watching TV. So I thought, if I'm going to get this done, I'm going to have to do it with him. And he's just playing around the room with his little toys. Now he wants to go out the window. So please forgive me for the background. I haven't made a lot of effort. I'm obviously filming in a different place. Here, have some Lego. Yeah. I'm filming in a different room. I originally filmed my first video in this room and I liked it. The lighting was really good because I've got a lot of windows. I've got like 4 windows. And then I moved upstairs because my son naps in here. But upstairs, I can't do it through the day because it's too noisy. And if I do it at night, the ring light is simply not enough lighting. So I need daylight. So I figured I'll move back down here. And I'm going to jazz it up a little bit, but I just haven't got around to it. So yeah, I wanted to sort of talk to you guys about Laura Mercier. So you've probably heard by now, I'm a little bit late filming this, but I haven't seen anyone on YouTube talk about it, and that is that they've made the big decision to stop distributing their makeup to Australia. Now, I understand all businesses need to make these type of decisions and they're not made lightly, and I'm sure it benefits them, but I just don't want them to forget about the thousands of consumers here in Australia, their fans who absolutely love the products that they produce, including me, which is why I'm filming this, because they are my favourite products. My foundation is my favourite, the primer, my favourite, the translucent setting powder, it's not really my favourite, but it's one of my favourites. And their lip liners, the concealer, oh, the list just goes on. Like, they've got such amazing products. Yeah, say hello. So I just feel like they are letting an entire country down and a lot of customers. I think they should have simply changed their approach to marketing their products and maybe got some help from bloggers, you know, some beauty influencers like myself who could have, you know, reviewed their products. And I would have happily done it for free. In fact, I was going to do it. I have so many products of theirs and I want to do a review per video that I upload purely on their products. And I'm still going to do it, but I'm just really disappointed in their decision, because what they've done is not only stopped distribution in Australia through the only 3 companies that we can purchase from, that is being David Jones, Sephora and Adore Beauty online, but they also don't ship to Australia on the Laura Mercier website. And it's like, we pay for shipping, we should be given the choice. So hopefully that changes. Now, before you go judging me and saying, you know, I'm getting on this channel and, you know, bagging them, I'm not bagging them. Oh, baby, you can't touch that, it's not a toy. I want them to know how disappointed I am that we aren't going to have access at all to their products. If they could just give us the option to pay for shipping, that would be great. But what they've done is they haven't given us an explanation. They've just said, thanks for your business, but we're done with you guys, see you later. And it's like, well, if you're so thankful for our business, then why not give us an option to pay for shipping? You know, that won't cost them anything. They produce the products, we go online, we order, and we pay per item, so, or per customer. So they're not paying for anything to be shipped here, and we pay for the taxes coming into our country, not them. You're getting tired already. You just woke up. You woke up to play in bed. Oh, sweetheart. Okay, I think he's hungry. So this is not going to be a long video. I just want you to know that I am going to still review all the products that I have from Laura Mercier because I absolutely love them, and I want everyone all around the world to watch my channel and still be able to, you know, relate to me and buy the products that I use. I'm going to still somehow find out how to buy these products. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I'm going to find a company that ships to Australia, whether that's from London or America. There's got to be someone. So yeah, if you know any, please leave a comment below and let me know, because I love their concealer, I love their foundation and their primer. The concealer and the foundation, I can't live without it. In fact, I can't remember the name of the concealer because it's new. But it is this one. It is Candle Glow Concealer and Highlighter. Oh my god, it's so amazing. I'm wearing it right now. I have no foundation on. Let me get a little bit closer. Is that close enough? I'm wearing no foundation. I just literally put a dot right here because I have a scar. And I put a little bit around my nose because I have a bit of pigment. And I put a little bit under my eyes to hide the dark circles from lack of sleep. And then I put a little bit of, not bronzer, I put a little bit of blush. Because remember what I say all the time, that blush makes you look alive, makes you look youthful and young. And I put a little tiny bit of powder all over my face as well. And the powder I use is a Chanel powder. It's actually a bronzer, but it's such a light bronzer that I use it as a powder because I purchased the wrong colour. But I'm actually quite happy with it because I needed just a powder for my face. So yeah, it's an amazing concealer, and I think it's amazing if you can get ready in a couple of minutes by just putting a couple little drops of concealer on your blemishes and your pigments and get out the door, then you're winning, especially if you're a mum or you're just a busy boss, busy student, and yeah, and it helps you look youthful. Another reason why I love that concealer is because it has a really nice finish to it. It looks real. It doesn't look dry and cakey. You're getting tired. So yeah, as from June the 30th, Australia, you can no longer buy Laura Mercier, and I am very upset about it, and I know a lot of you guys are, but it is what it is. And hopefully someone from Laura Mercier will watch this. Oh, as I was saying before I completely forgot what I was saying. This always happens to me when I'm talking, is I was saying, before you judge me about complaining about this company, I did try to contact them several times. I stalked them. I emailed them. I direct messaged them. I even contacted their PR company. Oh my god, like honestly, I think I sent like 4 or 5 emails because I didn't want them to feel like I was completely bagging them out for the decision they had made. But I have to admit, the communication is poor. So whoever looks after the communication side of things needs to be spoken to, because I have worked for a company that distributes, oh baby, and communication with consumers is key. It's very, very important at keeping business, not just a good product. But anyway, I'm going to say goodbye now, and again, I'm sorry for the messy background. My table is not very nice and neat, and this one's tired and cranky, and here comes my other child. But this is all I could work with. I just want to get this video up and loaded. And also, I never talk on my videos. Yes, baby! Hey guys, just me again. I'm just back because my camera completely cut out before I got to finish saying what I wanted to say. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I know this has been a little bit longer than what it was supposed to be, but I just wanted you guys to know about Laura Mercier no longer distributing products to Australia as from June the 30th. So if you love their products, just stock up. That's pretty much all the advice I can offer at the moment. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully you guys got to know me a little bit. I will try to do more videos like this if you prefer. Otherwise, I'm happy to do facials and makeup and just do talk throughs as I'm editing the channel, the videos. So let me know if you prefer this type of video. I'm more than happy to do it. Sorry, I really should go because my little one's actually crawling now, and he's crawling into the hallway, which means he's going into his room, and I want to keep an eye on him. But once again, thanks again for watching. Have a good night, guys. Bye.